Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to uninstall Google Drive from your PC or laptop. So click on Start, type here Add or Remove. Open Add or Remove Programs. Now in this list you have to find out Drive or search here. You will see Google Drive. Click on this three dot. Then click on Uninstall. Again click on Uninstall. It will ask permission, so click on Yes. Now click on Uninstall. If you will see this warning, Google Drive is in use, you must quit the program before uninstalling or restart your system and try again to uninstall. So this way guys, you can uninstall Google Drive from your Windows laptop or PC. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.